Hello YouTube, back again with another review. Today we got the Permatex Windshield Rapair. So basically if you get a chip or a rock that and your windshield gets cracked, this is good for a small area, like about an inch. So don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we got this Permatex complete repair system, windshield repair. It says repair bullseye up to 1.25 diameter. See if I can put it closer to the camera. And it says cures by natural sunlight, easy follow illustrated instructions. Alright, it's a little confusing, but you guys get it with the end of this video. Basically I already used this, so I already know it works, and I'll show you the parts, what it has. So it does come with a little sharp edge here. What this is for poking the hole. See if you got any loose glass in there. If you got any loose glass, you have to get it out with this. So just poke lightly. If you see anything moving, then get it out, obviously. And it does come with the glue. I don't know if you call this glue or not, but this is the tube that comes with that has the glue part in there. And it does come with a square like this, a clear square. Like I said, everything is already used. I already used it. So this is a blade, so it does come with the blade, and it does come with one of these attachments. So what you do is you peel one side of this, and you see that circle in the middle. You have to put it right in the middle of where the rock hit, and make sure you get that in there. And then just once you get it in there, peel the other side. And then put this in there. Put this plastic in there. Make sure the tab on both of these have to be straight up. So just to let you guys know. So this is going to come like that, compressed already in there. Leave it compressed. When it tells you to do the first step, I'll see if I can put the footage. What you do is just take this piece and you stick this in there. You stick it all the way in there so it's nice and tight. And what you do is you pull this back. You pull this back all the way to the back until you hit the first tab. So on this part you have to pull it back until you get to the second tab, which is the way to the bottom. Okay, once you get to the bottom with this thing attached, you have to clip it with this thing. And see how it's clipped? It prevents it from going down. So you have to grab it with both hands and just put it back like that. And you have to clip it on the second one. So all the way down. So this has to be all the way to the top, and that's where it clicks. Once it clicks, it's not going to go down. You know, when you force it, it doesn't go down. So on there you have to leave it, I believe, 10 minutes. After you're done with that, you have to pull it out of this thing. Just pull it out like that, so this thing will get some air, because it already did all the suction. So you pull it out so you can grab some air, and what you do is just put it back in. Make sure you put real tightly. Once you put it real tightly, damn, this stuff stinks. Stinks, but it works. Once you put it tightly, what you do is you push it in. You push this in, like so. Push it all the way in till you reach this tab here. Till you reach the second tab. I'll show you guys what that looks like. See that tab? The other tab is down here. And that is the first tab. Yeah, you push it in until you get that tab and leave it in there. I believe you have to leave that in there for like 20 minutes or so. Pretty much pushing all this thing in. Once you push all this thing in and you're done with this, you can remove this, and you can remove this with the blade. Just going like that to the side, you know, moving like this. I'll show you guys. So if the windshields are there, you gotta just push the side like that, and that's how you remove that. And once that's done, you can remove the whole thing, and then you have to use this plastic thing. Make sure when you're gonna put this on, you're gonna put a little bit of extra of that glue in there. So put a little bit of drop of that glue in there, just there in the crack, and then just put this in there, and then just with the blade, you take all the air bubbles. Just 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes you can take it out with the blade. So just like I said, just go like that, you know, around the edges, and take it out with the blade. And all this is supposed to be done in the sunlight, using the sun to cure it. If you're not gonna be doing this in the sun, I would take longer with the last part. So anyways, that was it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.